depth and braking distances. Yawn, 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 I hear you saying. Call me an anorak, but I actually find it quite interesting. That might have something to do with the fact that I'm a racing driver that's raced in all sorts of championships, including the British touring cars. I'm in the unusual position of not only being a racing car driver, but also a mother. I swap racing cars for buggies and the smell of petrol for the smell of dirty nappies. Being a mother means that now, more than ever, I'm equally concerned about the performance of tyres off track as I am on it. That's why I'm making this video for Continental. So, what's all the fuss about? Let's try our new car with 8mm of tread depth, which is pretty standard for new tyres. Well, that was a bit of fun. But to ensure that my friend here stays safe, Continental and other road safety organisations have carried out a number of serious tests of stopping distances in the wet. At 70 miles an hour in the wet, with the minimum tread depth that Continental recommends, 3mm, the cars took an average of 105 metres to come to a complete halt. But with the legal minimum tread depth of 1.6mm, it took a massive average of 135 metres to stop in the wet. In fact, the car with 1.6mm tread depth was still travelling at 50 miles an hour when the car with 3mm of tread depth had already come to a halt. So, how do we check tread depth? Well, for just a couple of pounds you can buy one of these babies, a tread depth gauge. You can buy these from any local auto centres or service stations. All you need to do is check the main grooves across the width of the tyre by placing the gauge in the groove and pressing the centrepiece all the way down. Make sure that you check the tyre in 3 different positions for any uneven tyre wear. Also, you need to check all 4 tyres as they may wear differently. If you want to get checking and you don't have a tread depth gauge, then why not try the good old 20p piece? All you need to do is place this in the groove of the tyre, and if you can see the outer edge of the coin, then this means that your tread depth is less than 3mm and you need to seriously think about getting your tyres changed. But remember, driving with a tread depth of less than 1.6mm is not only dangerous, but it's also illegal. Getting caught could cost you up to 3 points on your licence, plus a £2,500 fine per tyre. So, there we go. Just to recap, you need to check these. And if you have less than 3mm of tread depth left, get them changed. I'm Fiona Leggett, and thank you for watching this Continental Tyres film.